Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, I am really excited to unbag and flip through a deck that is by one of our friends of this channel, vlovecrystals. So in the description box, I will link where you can purchase this and all of her socials, so that way you can go check her out if you like what you see. And she's such a doll. She gave us a coupon code to use at checkout, which will get you 35% off of the deck that you purchase. That will be down in the description box as well. So let's get into it. This is called the Lavender Love Oracle. It is regularly priced at $59.99. And the goal of this deck is to better assist in love and general readings with relatable explanations. All cards have both light and dark attributes, and there's a free PDF spread that she will email you when you purchase this. That it's a ton of spreads. It's like 6 or 8 spreads, I can't really recall. And there's also reading ideas, which I printed out here and we can go over later. So, I mean, she really kind of has it all here with the Oracle deck. So 53 cards, they're matte. They're 2.75 inches by 4.75 or 70 millimeters by 121 millimeters. So I know lots to say, but let's get into it. Let's unbag. First of all, love purple. Purple is one of my favorites, so I'm really excited to see what's in here. Okay. All right, look at these cute little charms. Oh, sweet. Some of you I know like charm casting as well, so maybe that's something I will get into eventually with the charms. Okay, so there's stickers, lots of stickers, cute. I know this comes from one of her Oracle decks as well. This was another one that I'm excited to look into. She has so many cute decks that I'm just like, I can't wait. And look at how cute this is. Basil, abundance, money, marriage, prosperity, and mental clarity. You have to be odd to be number one. Ah, I love that. All right. Here is a bunch of thank yous. Thank you to the talented photographers for the gorgeous visuals. We hope you love working with this deck. So again, I will link all of her contact and social information. And then we have other decks back here as well. So let's get into it. I know I've talked a lot. So here's the back. So cute. And here we go. Cute. Okay, let's talk about the cardstock real fast. It's not bad at all. So it's thin, but it's not terrible. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's like a little fortune cookie. Cute. Okay. It's thin, but it's not terrible is what I'm trying to say. So I know a lot of you guys don't like thin cardstock, but it's not terrible at all. So it's nice and flexible. It snaps back. I'm not mad at it at all. I like the size too. I feel like this is a really great size for a lot of people. Oh, great. So it gives you what the card's name is or what it's about, and then the literal definition of it down here. So you don't even need a guidebook. And it has the light attributes and the dark attributes right on there. So that's perfect. Cute. They're pretty visuals for sure. I like that there are no borders, so you can see everything. And this is really sweet down here, these like clouds with the hearts. Oh, cute. Ooh, that is a gorgeous cake. These feel really good. Like, I love a matte card, but they feel really nice. They glide really great. Rounded edges. No pokey pokies. Ooh, that's cool. I'm excited to use these. I think these will be great for just any kind of reading that you want. Love, general, dream analysis. Because you can kind of look through the cards and pull kind of what it symbolizes what you saw in the dream and kind of get a little bit more insight of that. Oh, cute. Very beginner friendly, especially with the spreads that she gives you. There's a bunch of different types of spreads. So depending on what you need a reading for. Cute. Ooh. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, precious. Oh my goodness. This looks a little bit like my Walter baby. Ooh, that's fun. Oh, that's a cool image for that. Ooh. The poison? Poison for Cusco? Cusco's poison? Sorry. One of my favorite all-time movies, the Emperor's New Groove. I feel like it's highly underrated. Somehow, in every single video, I relate cards to something to do with pop culture or Disney. Or a celebrity of sorts. That's gorgeous. Oh, pregnant belly. These are very comprehensive. They're to the point. The keyword or meaning matches up with what the card is about. Very beginner friendly. I really appreciate that. That's awesome. Oh, look at that baby. That's really neat. So like I said, no guidebook, but she does provide a lot of spreads and then possible reading questions or like how you could use these cards for this specific reading. I don't feel that you need a guidebook with this because it's all laid out for you on the card. So that's fantastic. They are a little pricey, but remember, whenever we are looking at a indie deck or something that's self-published, they are going to be a little bit more expensive, but the quality is also going to essentially be a lot better than a mass-produced. Well, I shouldn't say that. But you're also paying for quality. You're paying for their time and their talent, basically. So I don't mind supporting indie decks and paying a little bit more, especially if I know what I'm getting is good quality. And again, that's why I do these videos, is so that way you guys can make your own informed decisions of where you want to spend your money and who you want to support. So not saying mass-produced decks are bad by any means. I'm just saying it's nice and refreshing to get a more independent artist and author view and their decks, just because sometimes those voices don't always get heard. And what's great too is if they get enough support and they're popular enough on with their decks, they will probably eventually get mass marketed. So the Kickstarters, the Etsy's, all of that, I really love supporting that because it brings more attention to their work, which means more bigger companies will like to work with them. So does that make sense? So yes, you're paying a little bit more for most of the decks, but the quality is usually there. I'm going to say usually. The work, the time, you know, a lot of this they don't have teams for. It's just themselves putting it all together. So you have to take all of that into consideration. And again, I don't mind paying more for a deck if that means that I'm supporting someone and that means I'm going to get a creative and new and innovative deck. I feel like this is a great example of that. It shuffles really nice. It shuffles so nice though. I really do like it. So what we'll do, we'll take this one, we'll read it up close again, and it's zipper. So the meanings for light would be convenience and productivity. For the dark attributes would be difficulty, blocks, and frustration. So again, if you want to read for like the negative or the darker aspects, I would do a reversal. So that way you can kind of get a more distinct view on that point. But let's take a look real fast at the different readings we have here. Reading ideas, so questions. What are my dreams telling me? What's coming next in love? Where's my love headed? The future of our relationship. What will marriage look like? So we have love life for singles or for couples. Is it over? Will we reconcile? Life after divorce. Good news coming in love. What I don't see coming in love. What are the intentions? A year ahead in love. These are really great reading ideas. And again, it's like 11 pages of different spreads in the PDF file that she will send to you. So like I said, it's a little bit more expensive than a lot of us are used to paying for an oracle deck or for a tarot deck, whatever the case may be. But that being said, if this is something that you are excited about or want to check out for yourself, along with all of her other decks, there is a coupon code for 35% off in the description box. So that's exciting too. So I just want to give a real quick thank you, a big thank you to vlovecrystals. I think your channel is amazing. I think your store is amazing. I'm really excited to start getting more of your decks. There's a couple of them that I'm really keeping my eye on, and my boys are seeing neighbors. So with that being said, thank you so much. And thank you for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your day, rest of your week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.